If you want to make your Word document look more professional, easier to read, and a lot more polished, learning how to insert headers and footers is one of the simplest and most useful skills you can pick up in Microsoft Word. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step. So whether you want to add a document title at the top, page numbers at the bottom, or helpful extra details like a date or file name, you'll know exactly what to do. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word and look at the top ribbon. The first thing you need to do is go to the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps all the tools for adding extra elements into your document, including headers and footers. Once you're on the Insert tab, find the header and footer options. You'll usually see buttons labeled Header and Footer, and either one will let you start adding content to the top or bottom of the page. If you want information to appear at the very top of every page, click Header. If you want it at the bottom, click Footer. When you click one of these buttons, Word will open a built-in menu with different style options. You may see a range of presets from simple blank layouts to more design styles. Go ahead and choose the style that fits your document best. If you're making something formal like a report, a plain header or footer is often the cleanest choice. If you want something more detailed, you can choose a style that already includes a layout for page numbers or title formatting. After selecting a style, Word will move your cursor into the header or footer area so you can start typing or inserting content. This is where you can add useful information like your document title, chapter name, author name, date or page number. You can also combine several elements together if needed. For example, you might place the title on the left and the page number on the right. If you need page numbers, Word makes that easy too, and it can be added directly inside the header or footer section. Take a moment to format the text the way you want it. You can adjust the font, size, and alignment just like regular text in your document. This is a good time to make sure your header or footer matches the overall style of your file. A clean, consistent design makes the document look much more professional. Once you're done adding your content, the final step is to close the header and footer area so you can go back to the main document. The easiest way to do that is to double-click anywhere in the main body of the document. You can also use the Close Header and Footer option if Word shows it, but double-clicking the body is usually the fastest method. Now you'll see your header or footer displayed on the page, while the rest of the document remains ready for editing, and that's it. You've just learned how to insert headers and footers in Microsoft Word. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference when you want your documents to look organized, professional, and easy to navigate. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Word tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software tip you want to learn next.